I run, they run, everybody run, and we're all just having fun.
Hey guys, welcome back. Just wanted to go ahead and go over all the final things that we've done here. We actually did get out and give it a test run today for the first time, so you'll see that video here in just a few moments. But just wanted to go ahead and cover everything on the truck up till now. Now you can see, just kind of as we go through, we got our mud flaps, tires, paint job, got our driver in there along with our dash. Kind of on the back end again here. Just lift these guys up. Opens up. There he goes. Alright. Shovel. And what we had to do for the shovel, this is actually off of one of those scale accessory kits that you get from China for, I don't know, right around the $7 range. Come with this, an axe, a breaker bar and whatnot. I actually sanded down the handle, and it fit right into the little holder there. Good to go. Speaker box. You can see along the side, I went ahead and got those all painted black to offset them from the wood tone of the bed. You can see the mirrors are actually pretty nice too, because they actually give a little bit of a reflection. You can see that. Let's look under the cab. Now, the reason that I currently don't have the top of the engine on is because, as you know, and you'll see in the run video, that the headlights aren't working. Well, that is due in part to this board right here, I believe. We have went ahead and I've done some testing, and when I plug the headlights into other sections of the jumper board, which is out front, like I'll plug the headlights from here over into the first part of the jumper, they actually do come on, as well as on the main board. They'll come on if I plug them into a different socket. But if I plug them onto either that board or the jumper board for the headlights, then the headlights don't light up. So that is how the body clamps. It's these little guys right here. They actually just snap onto those. We did have to sand on them a little bit, get them to snap in a little bit easier. And then we take the top off, and that's how we gain access inside the cab. So I'm not sure why he might be tapping the dash to try and get the gauges to function. I don't know. He's a happy little driver. Alright, so without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you the run video, and we'll wrap this guy up. One of the other quick things that you'll notice is that I've got the 10-shock RC 906 1250 kV motor in there. This is a brushless motor. This is a non-censored motor. So this one is actually a 6-pole. It handles a lot differently than a lot of the other non-censored brushless motors out there. You can actually get that slow crawl speed out of one of these motors. So fantastic motors for crawling. Definitely check out 10-shock. Great motor company. And as you can see, I picked up a few of them, and I'll be bringing these out to our social meet, so that hopefully we'll be able to get a few other people running these RC 906 10-shock motors.